DMS Next is a flexible document management solution that allows users to streamline file organization, search, and collaboration within Microsoft Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams. Users can quickly access documents and emails through DMS Next's intuitive tree view, advanced search capabilities, and seamless file management. DMS Next enhances productivity by making SharePoint document management effortless. DMS Next can be downloaded easily from Microsoft App Source. The App Store is on the leftmost panel of your desktop programs. From there, select the Add Apps button. You will be taken to the App Store. Go to the search bar and search for DMS Next. Click it, and you will be given the option to add it to your apps. On mobile and Teams, the App Store can be found on the bottom menu. Select the three-dot menu, select Add App, and search from there. Once you find the app, select Add, and it will download directly to your app list in Teams. To download it for the mobile versions of Outlook or the Microsoft 365 app, go to the Microsoft App Source store. Search for the DMS Next app and select the Get It Now button. When the DMS app is installed, it appears in the app menu. For convenience, you can pin the button to remain visible. To do this, right-click and select Pin. Using the tree view is easy. Let's start with the desktop interface. In either Teams or Outlook, navigate to the MacroView icon. This will be on the left side of your screen on your desktop. When selected, DMS Next will replace your screen, and the MacroView tree will appear in the left side pane. The tree area includes recent files, favorites, OneDrive, SharePoint tenants, Teams, and chats. Expanding SharePoint reveals all the sites the user has access to. Under a hub site, users can navigate to their libraries, expand them, and view folders. When a document folder is selected, its contents are displayed in the middle pane. If the user selects an email folder, emails appear in the same pane. You can change your view at the top right of the page. This will allow you to change how the files are displayed or filter by document type. When the library is set up for emails, users can switch to the email view, which shows attachments, sender, recipient, subject, and receive time. Now, let's look at the mobile interface. In either Teams or Outlook, navigate to the MacroView icon. This will be at the bottom or hidden behind the three-dot menu on mobile. Entering DMS Next will show you the last folder you browsed, which will take up the center of your screen. To navigate to the tree view, select the icon at the top left, and you will be shown what you can access in SharePoint. Expanding SharePoint reveals all the sites the user has access to. Under a hub site, users can navigate to their libraries, expand them, and view folders. Selecting a document folder displays its contents on screen. Select the third icon across the top to change your view. This will allow you to change how the files are displayed or filter by document type. When the library is set up for emails, users can switch to the email view, which shows attachments, sender, recipient, subject, and receive time. To open a file, expand the library and navigate to the desired folder. Select the file. You can open it in an app or browser, download it, or share a link to the file. This option is visible on the right-hand pane or within the preview view. If you intend to edit the file, we recommend selecting Open in App. You must have OneDrive installed on your device and a program that can handle the file type. If you don't have a program that can handle the file, we recommend Open in Browser. If you want to send your file to your team members or colleagues, we recommend the Share Link button. This button sends a link to the file to any team member via email or Teams chat. Opening an email allows you to interact with it, reply to it, or forward it. If the email has an attachment, you can interact with it as if it were in your own inbox. To move files, you'll first need to select them. For individual files, click directly on the icon to select it. If you're selecting multiple files, select the checkbox next to each or hold the Control key while clicking the icon. Once your files are selected, you have two ways to move them. The easiest way is to drag and drop them into the folder of your choice. But if you prefer, you can also use the Move To option. Open the three-dot menu, select Move To, and a SharePoint tree view will appear. From there, choose your destination and click OK. Copying files is similar. Select the files you want to copy, open the menu, and select Copy To. This will open a SharePoint tree view, allowing you to choose where to paste your files. If you need to keep things organized, you can structure your content by creating new folders or document sets within SharePoint. To do so, right-click the location where you want the folder to appear and select the option to create a new folder or document set. Renaming a file is just as simple. Right-click the file, select Rename, type in the new name, and confirm. The change happens instantly. The search function in DMS next enables quick file retrieval. To access the search function, hover over the top menu and select Search. You can search using keywords. Add the keywords to the search bar. You can also select whether to search for documents, emails, or locations. You can apply additional filters for each of these menu items. You can search for documents based on when they were last modified, what document type, and whether to search folders or document sets. You can search for emails by location, subject, to, from, CC, receive time, and whether they have attachments. Users can search within a specific SharePoint library instead of scanning the entire tenant. After performing a search, selecting a document provides a preview. To sort within the folder, click on the column heading. It will sort the contents by ascending. Select it again to sort the contents by descending. Select a different column heading to sort by other criteria. Next to each column heading, you will see a filter icon. Select it to filter results by the criteria in that column. You can filter by keyword and file type. When selecting your criteria, choose the Apply button to add them to your view. You can do this across multiple columns to refine your results further. Click the Clear button in the column-specific menu to remove the filter from a specific folder, and then select Apply. Select the Clear Filter button at the top to remove all the filters from the view.